What's up YouTube? I don't usually do this, but as you can see here, I bought Adidas sneakers. This is a pair of NMD R1s. It's a pretty nice pair. It's all black, gum bottoms. Adidas box if you've never seen one. Pretty boring. Let's check the shoes out. Here they are. This is an Adidas NMD right here with a gum bottom. First time for everything. I think this is the first time I had a pair of Adidas shoes on my YouTube channel in like the last 3 years or something. Gum bottoms. If you like the sneakers, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy yourself a pair. The link's in the description. Pretty nice shoe if you ask me. Aesthetically pleasing. Simple silhouette. Let's see how they look on foot here in just a second. Also, they probably look good with joggers, so definitely check out the Amazon affiliate link to buy yourself a pair of joggers. That link is also in the description. I got a crazy deal on these. Adidas Boost products are generally reasonably comfortable, so don't be afraid to check them out. Thanks for watching the video. Let's see how they look on foot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.